Good morning, Tulsa, Oklahoma. This is Larry Walker at the Farm Shopping Center here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, 51st and Sheridan. Tulsa Insurance Group, 918-298-0000. I want to take just a moment this morning. It's kind of rainy outside here on a Friday afternoon. It's time for the weekend. Last weekend in the month of August, right before we head into Labor Day. Just want to take a moment and just talk to you a little bit about what an umbrella policy is. I know a lot of people wonder what that is. A lot of people, do I need it? Do I not need it? Is there a purpose for it? And let me just say to you that an umbrella policy is designed just as an umbrella on a rainy day. When you put it over your head, it protects everything under the umbrella from getting wet. Well, that's kind of the way an umbrella policy works. It fits above all of your other assets that you have insured and covers them with an additional layer of protection than what's already provided in the policies that exist for them. For example, in an auto policy, there's typically going to be an underlying minimum limit that you have to have before you can actually add an umbrella policy. At least with the companies I write for, you're looking at about $300,000 limited liability that you're going to have at the minimum as a base for us to add an umbrella on top of that. Then we can add another million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million, whatever it is you feel like you need on top of that liability. You say, why is that important? And on the house, it would be the same way. Incidentally, you would have to have a minimum of $300,000 liability on the home for you to be able to write an umbrella policy over the home to protect you there. And, particularly people want to know, do I really need one? I mean, is it something that I need to buy and something I need to consider? And the answer to that question is it's all in regards to your assets. You say, well, Larry, I don't have a lot of assets. If I got sued for $300,000 because someone got hurt on my property at home, or maybe they sued me for $500,000. I only had $300,000 liability. I know the umbrella is going to kick in at that point and take it all the way up to $1 million more, for example, on the low side, if that's really what I wanted to do, to have protection. But Larry, I don't really have anything worth more than my house. So do I really need that? Why can't I just get $1 million liability limit on my home? And you can do that. But if you get in a situation where someone sues you for more than what your liability protection offers on your underlying policy, whether it's auto or home, and you do not have the funds to pay that difference if they win that lawsuit, it's going to come out of your money either in the future income, because there's been people right here in the state of Oklahoma who have had their wages garnished because of losing lawsuits. And they take a little money out of their paycheck, and they may not ever get it all paid off, but still the attorneys are going to come after you. So what you want to consider is, if I'm in an accident and if I have 100,000, 300,000 liability, and I'm in an accident, and the accident causes liability problems of, someone gets hurt real bad, has to go through multiple surgeries, perhaps someone's even killed in the accident because it was my fault, and I've only got a 300,000 maximum aggregate liability limit coverage on that auto policy, and they sue me for 800,000 or $1 million. I'm on the hook for that, and that means all of my assets that I have they're at risk for the lawsuit. And not only that, my future income is at risk and can be taken away from me. I'll just ignore that phone. So I just wanted to make sure that you understand that umbrella policies are not just for the rich. If you have the ability to make future income, you might want to consider an umbrella policy in the event that you're especially in an automobile accident that could hurt someone and endanger their lives in a significant way. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Larry Walker is my name at the Tulsa Insurance Group, 918-298-0000, or you can go to tulsainsurancegroup.com. We're also on Facebook. Look us up. Share this video if you feel like it's been beneficial for you. Like it for me, please. I'd appreciate all the likes I can get. God bless you. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time.